Okay, student, now the explanation of from page number 54. Clearly means a cultivate plant of the parsley family. Eventually means in the end. I am explaining till here first. After some time, when Roger Skunk and his mom were going back to home, they heard a woo-woo sounded as his father arrived back from Boston. Then all of them had a lime beans. Lime beans means edible flat whitish bean. And mashed potatoes for dinner and pie au mayo for dessert. Later that night, when Roger Skunk was sleeping, Mom Skunk came back. She hugged him and told him that he smelled again like a baby and that she loved him a lot. With this, Jack ended the story, to which Joe again asked that did the other animals run away from Roger Skunk? And Jack replied no, because they slowly got used to the smell as they did not feel like running away anymore. Now I am explaining from what till here. Rare means not occupying very often. Emphasize means special value. Tiptoe means walk quietly. Pretense means an attempt to make something that is false to appear true. Gingerly means in a careful or conscious manner. When Jack said that eventually everybody started liking Roger Skunk, Joe did not understand the word eventually as she had heard it for the first time. She asked what even child is, to which Jack told her that meaning. But Joe thought that what Mummy Skunk did was the right and said that what the mother skunk did was stupid. But Jack took it personally and said no, because somewhere he was relating to it to himself and defending his own mother. Then Jack told Joe that he wanted her to take a long day nap and adjust the shades so that no light came in. He then went very softly to the door and acted as if Joe had slept, but when he turned and looked, she was staring at him and sitting on the top of the covers. Then he told her to go to sleep, as she was also disturbing her brother who was sleeping. Then she stood up and started bouncing softly on the springs. While jumping on the springs of the bed, she asked her father to tell her story the next day. The wizard took her magic stick and hit the mummy and chopped her pulp arm. The Jack explained to her that this was not what the story said. He told her the story gave us a message. The skunk loved his mother more than any of the other animals in the woods, and that his mother knew what was right for him and what was not. Then, as he was explaining Joe about the story, she started insisting that the next day he would have to tell the story like once she had wanted. Now, the further explanations. Have means produce a shy. Stroking means move one's hand. Spank means slap once with an open hand. Awareness means extra tiredness. Now the explanation. Then she started throwing tantrums as she had done many times earlier, but this time she was not laughing or joking. She was being a bit stubborn. Then Jack told her to be patient and sleep, and that he would see to the next day. He then asked us to stay on the bed and close the door. He then went downstairs and saw his wife painting the walls. She had opened the paint can spread the newspaper and was wearing an old shirt of his over her maternity dress. She was painting the chair rail. Suddenly he again heard footsteps above and the sound of the footsteps started vanishing. Then Jack's wife told him that it was a long story that he was telling Joe, and that he replied, the poor kid, telling Joe and to the poor kid, and he was feeling very tired. He just sat and watched his wife do all the work. Then he started looking at the woodwork around him and started relating to his life. He was looking at it and thinking that although both of them, Jack and Claire, were caught in a cage-like situation in this marriage, there was no solution to it. Neither did he want to talk to her, nor speak or touch her. Thank you, students. Hope you have understood the chapter.